Get some speed.
Push me.
I think you need more than a push.
Oh, he did put one on. I don't want to get wet. Can we just see if it starts?
Probably, huh?
Yeah.
If you don't start, why change the oil?
Why would I change anything? First start in what? How many years? 3?
Two? Probably.
2 probably? Gerbil's living in this thing. I'm scared to sit down.
It smells like when you go to Petco and you go down like the gerbil aisle. Doesn't even turn over, huh?
Is the battery disconnected?
Yeah.
That would make sense. Truck.
She's burnt out, all right.
These have been on here for probably 25 years. We should do a burnout with these. Let me change this oxygen sensor, do a quick little oil change, and get ripping. I got the oil filter off.
Hang on. Hang on 1 sec. I'm trying to plug my truck in.
Just dad things. I'm gonna order you some new oil filter wrenches because the rubber one ripped, and then I found the socket version and it came off pretty easily.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I was just about to say.
We're finally back. This time we got spark plugs. At least we already did the hard part, and at least it's dry today.
Yeah. You shouldn't say that though.
Dude, I fucking hate this thing. I just want to do a burnout. Now the socket is stuck. Now, I'm not yelling yet,
That's good.
but I might. Oh, that was way too much. People be like, what the f is this kid doing?
Spark plugs on the N54 are way easier.
Last one though, right?
Yeah. Finally.
Yeah, she purdy.
Round 2. See if she runs better. Still has bad gas in it, so I need to do that next. But we're giving her a shot. Right up. Pretty impressive. I just don't want to foul these plugs right away. I don't even know if this tune is right. I think the reason those were so fouled out and that O2 sensor is bad is because the tune's bad, so I don't want it to do the same thing again. We're gonna try to back it around the whole cabin to get it over there to wash it.
Get some speed. Go forward, get a little speed.
Yo, push me.
I think you need more than a push.
Let's go. Time to wash this thing. Dude, stop! Amazing cleaning and shine in one step. Basically, the thing's gonna look brand new.
There's no way that cleaner doesn't get rid of this sun damage.
That seemed like sarcasm. Look that way.
You gotta get your matching boat up and going too.
I'm gonna, dude. Rebuild series coming.
Yeah. You're like a NASCAR pit crew, but with a fucking brush.
Yeah, huh? Telling you, dude.
Your company can be 5-minute detail.
5 minutes or free.
Yeah. Every time you get close to 5 minutes, you just quit.
Done.
Halfway.
Now for the not so fun part, because this thing is disgusting in here. This thing's straight up like barn find right now. She's not that bad after we cleaned it. Oh! I swear to God, that was a spider web. I'm actually surprised it worked. Yeah!
Time to spin these wheels.
Dude, I'm actually so nervous. Oh wait, dude. Don't worry. Let me find it. Not this. Checking the glove box. Oh, nope. Not in there. Oh, here it is. I found it.
Is it the window crank?
You think we'll make it back?
No. How fast we going?
160. Look at it. This is the ultimate hoopty. Smell like weeders at the truck.
I think it's both.
Emissions, not passing. Tabs, doesn't have them. License plate, doesn't have them. Seatbelts, doesn't have them.
What about blinkers?
We got blinkers.
Okay.
She kind of fell on her face right there. She didn't want to do a burnout.
Okay, yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we didn't make it very far yet.
Dad?
You're okay, baby. She's okay with a little bit of gas. She just doesn't like a lot. Oh, this guy wants to race. That's fucked up, dude.
It is fucked up. In the Volvo?
Oh, dude, these brakes are not good. Dude, these are so dude, it's just sticky, so there's a bunch of rocks on it. That's good. So I hear the rocks kicking up. Get this thing back home. Oh, sorry.
That's us, bro.
Oh, okay. No trespassing, keep out. Sorry, I didn't see that sign. Oh, dead end, private road, do not enter. Oh, I'm not supposed to, oh, do not enter, oh.
We can't turn around now.
Yeah.
The road's too small.
I don't, what does private mean? Remember?
No, I didn't graduate.
Don't mind me. She wants to coast, so we're gonna let her coast.
It's perfect time to coast on a private road. Do you have power steering?
This thing don't got power, no. Oh. You don't got power brakes, that's for damn sure. Dude, the brakes.
Come on, baby.
I gotta go home.
Come on, baby.
I don't like Devil's Creek Road.
It killed the truck.
And we made it back home safely. From where we started, huge success. This thing did really well.
It only died on us twice. 3 times? Twice.
5.
5. Okay. Oh, Jacob. The lining on the window came off. Alright, so what crossed your mind on the first time she decided to take a little nap on the road?
Never a doubt in my mind that this thing won't start again.
Grader on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being it's a Ferrari.
A 10 in my book.
I was gonna say 12.
That's all I got for the truck for this video. I think she did pretty good.
She did great.
This is why I was scared to go harder on these, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna blow up.